Hello everyone. Welcome back to Vineyard with Miss T channel, the go-to place for all your gardening tips and tricks. Today, we have a special treat for you as we dive into the fascinating world of planting and growing cabbages. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this video will guide you through every step of the process. So, let's get our hands dirty and start growing some delicious cabbages. The first key to a successful cabbage harvest is preparing the right soil. Cabbages thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Here's what you and I need to do. Now that our soil is ready, let's move on to planting the cabbage seeds. This step is crucial for a healthy and robust cabbage crop. Congratulations! Your cabbage seeds have sprouted, and now it's time to care for your growing plants. Paying attention to these details will ensure a thriving cabbage patch. No plant can survive without water. Even water-thrifty plants need consistent moisture the first year or two. Watering deeply and infrequently promotes a deeper and more extensive root system in any type of vegetation. You can also maximize moisture by watering in the cool of the early morning or evening. That way, more water seeps into the soil and less is lost through evaporation. Mulching means to cover the surface of the soils with a layer of various covering materials. Mulching is an age-old practice, but with the dawn of modern agriculture, the use of this method dwindled. Now, it is once again gaining importance in the context of sustainable agriculture and organic farming. Cabbage pests can be controlled by spraying with Bacillus thuringiensis to commercially available as dipel or thuricide. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting our homegrown cabbages. Let's dive into the final stage of this journey. To be sure it's ready for harvest, squeeze the head and make sure it's firm throughout. If the head presses in easily and feels loose, it still needs more time to mature. Harvest the cabbage when it is firm throughout, but before it starts splitting, which can be caused by rainfall. There are two main ways to harvest cabbage. You can pick greens while the leaves are still young and the plants have no central core or heart, or you can harvest the entire cabbage. For the latter option, cut right through the tough stem at the base of a well-formed head with a sharp knife. And there you have it, a complete guide on planting and growing cabbages, from soil preparation to a bountiful harvest. I hope you found this video helpful on your journey to becoming a cabbage growing expert. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!